Hello everybody from all around the world, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and today I prepared very fun project for you, including some lovely colors and balloon. I will be making acrylic pour and making balloon stamps and turning them into beautiful 3D art, so fingers crossed everything will work as it should. I'm using my new colors from Lucas Krill Studio. This one is mauve, if I read it right. Also permanent violet. And then I've got this cerulean blue. And the last one is viridian yellow. And I'm also using titanium white from Lucas. I mixed my colors with pouring medium. I'm using my new pouring medium. So I mixed my acrylic colors with this pouring medium. And I mixed it in ratio 3:1. So 3 parts of pouring medium, 1 part of acrylic color. And I also add a little bit, tiny drop of water in each color to make it more flow. So let's put these aside. I didn't put any silicone in my colors, so it's just mixture of pouring medium and acrylic colors. And I'm gonna start with white. So let's pour a little bit of my white in the middle. And I'm gonna try to make some nice stamps with my balloon. This is just for the background. Then I'll be using more and more colors, layering on the top of each other. I chose black canvas from Arteza because I thought there will be an interesting contrast. That already looks interesting actually, but let's cover all these. Like this. Make sure you cover everything, every part of your canvas. That should be all right. Now the fun part starts. I'm gonna use my smaller balloon to create, whoops, an interesting, beautiful balloon effect. Let's put this aside. So I'm gonna start with my permanent violet. A little drop here, 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 and here. And let's start. Now I'm gonna wash my balloon in a little bit of water, and let's put some blue drops here and there. again wash it all off. And now my Velo. And now this is mauve or mauve, I don't know if I read it right. So let's pour this little beauty here and there. So I'm gonna start from the edges and go in the middle, so it creates beautiful depth. Now look at that. That's so amazing. Look, I'm gonna show you little details. Look at that, such a beautiful effect. And I'm gonna let this dry and show you what to do next with this, because this is not the end. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh wow. So stay tuned. See you soon. Welcome back. So here's the dry version, and I love how it turned out. It created such an interesting, beautiful structure. I love these little balloon bubbles, and I want to make it look even more 3D, so I'm gonna try to paint some balloon bubbles with just white and black, titanium white and Mars black. I'll be using loads of different brushes which I have at home. You can use whatever you like for your bubbles. Brushes which works for you. These are from size 10, 8, 8, well maybe mainly 8, 5, I don't know which ones I'll be using. I'll see what works. I'll also be using my whiteboard marker, which I bought in local supermarket. It was very cheap one, and I'll be using this piece of plastic cup, and I'll be drawing beautiful round circles with this plastic cup. It's quite a useful thing. So I can start. I'll be starting from the middle of my canvas because I want these circles to be on the top and then the rest of them will be under there. So the middle one is here, and I'll just try to draw a nice round circle, and it will show me where my balloon bubbles will be. Like this. So that will be the first one, and then maybe here, and I I'll show you what I'll do. I'll just draw the part which I wanna see like this. So it's under my top middle bubble. Another one here, like that. See how that looks? I can already see them appearing on my canvas. Now all the circles are done, so now it's time to start painting with my acrylic colors. I'm gonna show you a little detail. Maybe the middle one, which will be on the top. And I'm gonna start with white. So I put a little bit of white on my brush and start shading the top part with white color. Now let's blend it, blend my white like this. I always put my brush in water, and then I try to blend my white color like this, and it creates nice shade on my bubble flower. This should be all right. Now, time for my black color. So I put my brush in black and again I make the bottom part quite dark like this. And here I try to blend these two parts together. And it creates nice 3D looking shape. Now these are blended. Let's get back to this brush for my white and just blend this part. Nicely, like that. I might use a little bit more black on the bottom part, like this. And paint some reflections here and there, like this. And one down here. Like this. Now that's a nice balloon flower. I don't know how to call that. Now it's time to make the rest of them and show you the finished picture. And here's the result of my very special balloon acrylic pour. I'm so in love with this piece. I'm very happy how this turned out. I hope you also enjoyed it, and I hope I inspired you to create your very special, unique pieces of art. Thank you very much for your support. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, or you can also join my Facebook group, Create With Me, and show me your beautiful art. Thank you very much for watching and for all your support and beautiful words. Stay safe and healthy, and see you soon. Bye.